Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Smartsheet with SharePoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, just continue signing in with your Google account, your Microsoft account, your Apple account, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're all set. Now, integrating Smartsheet with SharePoint offers several advantages for organizations looking to streamline collaboration, improve data management, and enhance productivity. Because for one, SharePoint serves as a centralized document management platform, allowing users to store, organize, and share documents securely. Now, the second step that we are going to do is go here, add the Smartsheet bridge, because it's a platform that can automate business process your way with the bridge in here in Smartsheet. When you hover down to the bridge integrations, there's a lot of platform, but essentially, here's the SharePoint bridge integration will enable users to trigger workflows from a change in SharePoint list. List items can also be created, updated, and deleted from an external system, such as from a sheet in Smartsheet. All you have to do is just log in if you have, and it's the same process. If you don't have, just create an account. It's fast and easy, right? Now, the next option that we are going to explore is using Zapier, because from here you can create integrations between Microsoft, SharePoint, and Smartsheet to automate any workflow. And by connecting these apps, you would have all these endless possibilities, from a new list to have a share workspace to new file and subfolders to send row. All we have to do is just click on the orange button here. And we're going to have a separate in-depth tutorial about Smartsheet and SharePoint integration. But in summary, all you have to do is click on the SharePoint and choose an event. Say, for example, it triggers when a new file is created or added to an individual folder or subfolders supported. Click on that and just click on continue. Now we need to go to the Smartsheet, because from here you could also choose an event. Say, for example, it creates a file attachment to a row, or it create add row to a sheet. Now all you have to do from here is just authenticate these apps by clicking on continue and logging in for both of your accounts. And you can sit back and relax, because Zapier will do all the work for you. Now, the third option that we are going to show you is called a website named AppyPie, because from here it's very easy. I tried this in the past because it can integrate Smartsheet with SharePoint and allows it to connect multiple workflows between Smartsheet and SharePoint. It doesn't require you to have a credit card. It's a 7 days free trial, and it's lightning fast setup. So before you can experience all of that, all you have to do is click on the blue button right here so you can connect Smartsheet plus SharePoint. So let's do that. And from here, just create your account using your Google or your business or working email. You can also use your Microsoft account, follow the instructions, and you're all set. Now, another option that you want to use is Integrately, because it can connect Smartsheet to SharePoint with one click. Integrate Smartsheet plus SharePoint for free forever. Use premium features for free for 14 days. And these are the most popular automations. You can create Smartsheet row from new SharePoint file. You can create SharePoint folder from new Smartsheet row. You can create SharePoint file from new Smartsheet row. And it's the same process. Just click on the Get Integrately Free, follow the instructions, and you're good to go. Now, the last option that we are going to explore is a website called Onlyzer, because from here you can connect SharePoint plus Smartsheet with no-code integration in a few clicks. And from here you can integrate SharePoint plus Smartsheet now, or you can also check the integration options. When you click on it, there's a lot that you can choose from. So integrating Smartsheet with SharePoint enables organizations to harness the combined power of two leading collaboration and project management platforms, resulting in improved collaboration, streamlined workflows, and better project outcomes. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.